Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam, say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam, anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam, V-Money.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this cute headband wig. Okay, so guys, this look like my hair. Okay, this is my hair. In short, believe it or not, it looks like my hair. So I laid my front hair with some wax, edge control wax, anyway, that. Okay, so it was very easy. It took me less than 5 minutes. The makeup by itself took me less than 10 minutes because I'm in a rush. So that's it. Okay, so obviously let me talk about the company. The company I work with today is Yebo, I think. Yeah, it's Yebo hair. I'm going to leave all the necessary links down below for you guys to go and order from them. Okay, Yebo hair. Okay, so I'm going to leave their social media, Instagram, you know what I mean, blah blah blah. So guys, I don't want to talk too much in the beginning. Okay, so wait, this looks like my hair. Okay, don't tell me nothing, because let me tell you something, you can't tell me nothing. This look cute. So my cuties, if you want to know how I installed this cute wig over here, just keep watching.
We about to take over.
and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share. Okay, share my video, honey. Share it. And we'll see you in my next video. Drop a comment down below. I'll be waiting. I'm replying all the comments. Okay, don't be scared. I don't eat people. Comment, share, like, subscribe, all of that normal ish you do every time. Okay, thanks so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. And I have okay, I'm not going to talk. You guys are going to see what's gonna happen. But anyways, love you guys so much. See you in my next video, as I said, and take care of yourself. My phone is ringing. Bye.